Hi, my name is Habishwa Prabhagar and I will talk about refugee camps. In any historical work of fiction, an understanding of the historical context for the action in the story can significantly enhance the appreciation of it. Alan Gratz's Refugee 2017 is no exception. To more fully appreciate Gratz's novel, it helps to understand a little bit about refugee camps. According to Cambridge Dictionary, a refugee camp is a place where people who have escaped from their own country can live, only expecting to stay for a limited time. In fact, Turkey opened its door to many Syrian refugees. It is absolutely normal to ask ourselves, why do Syrian refugees choose to go to Turkey? What does Turkey offer to those refugees? And why don't the Syrians stay in Turkey? These questions will be answered in order to you to have a better knowledge while reading the book. In the first place, Syrian civil war makes the population flee to Turkey for many reasons. If we examine the situation geographically, we can observe a long border between Turkey and Syria. This means that the Syrians have many access points to enter this country. In addition, Turkey is the nearest safe country for those refugees due to the fact that there is a strong military force to secure their border. Many Syrians said firmly that Turkey is way more welcoming than other European countries. Refugees feel more integrated into the Turkish community. The country life offers an easier living for the refugees compared to the urban lifestyle and the rest of Europe, where it is more challenging and expensive. Moreover, Syrian and Turkish communities share mutual culture which is beneficial for the refugees to adapt to this new environment with ease. In the second place, like many refugee camps, Turkish camps provide numerous benefits such as food, security, religion, shelter, and many more. The European Union contributed up to $3.2 billion in order to allow more refugees the access to education. There are about 100 schools built and the Syrian families are encouraged to send their children to school. Furthermore, the camps assure a well-developed and fair health system. The free health care system consists of pediatric clinics, reproductive and maternal care, psychosocial support, as well as health counseling. Additionally, supermarkets have been implanted in the camps. Monthly, Syrian families would receive 50 Turkish lira, which corresponds to about 13 Canadian dollars. Fortunately, the families now receive 50 Turkish lira per person every month. In the camp, refugees live in tents or in containers. Turkey itself spent $25 billion to welcome the Syrian refugees and to respond to their basic necessity. In the third place, most of the Syrians don't stay in Turkey despite the fact that it is a safe place. Over the years, the number of refugees have been rising dramatically. Due to overcrowding, Turkish camps have difficulties fulfilling everyone's need. There is now more than 3 million Syrian refugees and it is causing a lack of space in the camps. The camps need more shelters and institutions to help all of them. Despite the construction of several schools, only 40% of the children attended. Moreover, living in a camp restricts your movement. People don't have full freedom to go wherever they want to. Furthermore, even if Turkey made it easier for the refugees to get a work permit, it is still hard to get a job for them. In conclusion, several refugees are grateful to the Turks for giving them a second chance to live. Indeed, Syrian refugees choose to find a shelter in Turkey since it has more benefits than other neighboring countries. Yet, not all of them stay there since they want to pursue their dream. Knowing more about Syrian refugees in Turkish camps can help you understand better the Bishara's next move. It will now be easier to understand the reasons why Mahmoud's family would or would not stay in a refugee camp. Thank you for listening.